Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Unboxing The Walking Dead. Today, I'm going to be checking out the Funko Mystery Minis Series 1. Although today's going to be a little bit different. All of these have already been unboxed. So I'll be reviewing them. Let's get started. So I ordered a box of these. Came with 24 individual boxes inside a little while ago off the internet. And I was expecting to hopefully get the whole set. But still I came up 3 short. So let's take a look at the box here and see what figures are in the first series. First off, we have the RV walker. Who Andrea gouged in the eye with the screwdriver. Now there are 2 versions of him, this version right here, and a glow-in-the-dark version. And unfortunately I did not get the glow-in-the-dark version. I just got the regular version. So I'm still searching for that. Next one is the teddy bear walker, also known as Summer on the Facebook game. First walker of the series, played by Addie Miller. Next is the regular version of Merle. Of course, with his hand already chopped off and the appendage put on. So this is Woodbury Merle. And then we have Bicycle Walker. And she's got some great detail with her ribs exposed and her intestines coming out. Then we have the Street Walker. And the Deer Walker. He has that deer leg in his hand. And then we have the Well Walker. And because he splits apart in the show, he splits apart as well. And we have Daryl. With his crossbow, a knife, and more arrows. Then I am missing the Riot Gear Walker. I was really hoping to get him, but I didn't. And so next is the Prison Walker. Still in shackles. And then on the list is the Bloody Streetwalker. He's got blood splatter on him. And that's what they like to do with these mystery minis, is you get a normal version and then a blood splattered version, or a normal version and a glow-in-the-dark version. Next up is the Well Walker, and of course this one is glow-in-the-dark. It also comes apart, just like the normal one. And then the Bloody Bicycle Walker. Then, again, I am missing the glow-in-the-dark RV Walker, the blood-splattered Daryl, and here is the blood-splattered Merle. And here's a quick look at the box that they came in. The top up here actually pops up for display purposes, but I like to keep the box intact. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.